Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix iPhone screen not responding to touch. Alright, so let's begin with the video. One of the most common causes is the screen protector or phone case, so start by removing both and cleaning the screen properly, then check if the touch works again. If that doesn't fix the issue, the next step is to perform a force restart. This method works especially well because it only uses the physical buttons, so you don't need the touch screen to respond. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and after that, press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even when you see the slide to power off screen appear. Continue holding it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, release the side button and let the iPhone restart. In most cases, this force restart fixes the touchscreen issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can fix iPhone screen not responding to touch. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.